All right, here we are at 227 here at SAXON Boulevard here in beautiful New Smyrna Beach. We're here on the second floor. Let me just walk you around here real quick. So obviously here's your main parking. I'm parked right out there. You've got this right here, which is a laundry room. If you don't have laundry, they've also got storage underneath. But we're here on the second floor. These units have 2 floors in the unit. The people below us, obviously 1 floor. So I'm going to walk you in. This is actually a original owner here in the complex. So this is a 2-bed, 2-bath, 2-story, as you can see. So directly to my left is the first bathroom. Turn the light on the other way. So again, pretty original. A nice stand shower. Then we head over here into the kitchen. Again, everything's very clean, very turnkey. It's obviously just a little dated. This unit has not been a rental whatsoever since they've owned it. They just use it for their own use and friends and family. But very straightforward. You got tile right here, and then you walk forward into more tile, which that does look like a more modern update that they've done. Storage underneath. Popcorn ceiling. Obviously, what's great about this, you walk straight out. And for anyone that knows Surfside condos, it's a nice, tight-knit community. Great grass space out front. Walk out to the pool. Amazing view on the no-drive beach. Flip back around. These are the original glass sliders here. They are very, very easy to move. They're very well kept, so they're not the newest of new, but they're also not immediately needing to get rid of either. From, I've seen way worse. So again, good storage. Back towards the front door, first bath. Head upstairs. Again, carpet everywhere. You got this metal handrail all the way up the side. So you walk upstairs. Here's the bathroom that splits both bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 1. Nice size. I think these are doubles. Could be a queen, but again, a lot of space. If I remember correctly. Yep. More storage angled right there. Got your, I think that's the HVAC unit. Yeah, on the exterior. There's your cutoff. Hardwood door. And again, this, which you rarely would use this door, if I can figure out how to get it open. So it's not going to open, but this door leads out to the 3rd story. Your HVAC is out there. You're never really going to use the 3rd story to come and go. But come back this way. Here is your 2nd bathroom that's upstairs. Again, pretty standard. And you do have some more storage. There's the HVAC handler. The blower's on the other side, but this is on the newer side. Can't see the date, but it's right. 2018. Electrical panel. And here's what I would consider probably your master bedroom. All the storage, obviously, goes all the way down, pretty standard. Let's open this up, and there's your view. Obviously, you can see the ocean. And then we head back downstairs. Let's do that. So you just saw the upstairs. Oh, over here. All right, what's cool about Surfside, obviously, is they're all enclosed here, so you're almost in your little cove. Huge grass play area right here that you can, play games, things like that, set up a picnic, etc. As long as obviously there's probably some HOA rules. Amazing pool, nice pool deck, fully fenced around here. I'll walk you down. Kind of over here, you've got this little nook, this little kiddie pool, splash pool at the front. Best part about it all right here. No drive beach here in SMYRNA. But again, that's the unit right here.